Friends, I bought Tata Nano just for 20,000 rupees and added video how to buy very good quality car with low price. I added that video. Please refer that one. How to buy 20,000 rupees Tata Nano. In that one, I have decided that one I want to modify completely car. So in first video noodles mat and second video exterior change purple and white combination. I have changed exterior and I'm going to change as a Ford EcoSport and lighting also. What are the things I'm going to modify it? I'm doing, and also 15-inch alloy wheels I'm changing here. So that one my video also is getting. So lighting and everything almost 3 lakh rupees I'm going to be change it. And in third video floor mat how to install and low price how to do it, all those things I have added video. Please refer this video. So totally four modifications as of now done. So from next time onwards very high level modifications going to be do it next time onwards. So floor mat installation now, actually Napa seat covers I'm doing adding here. So you can see here, so I bought it in online, so I added that video also. So Napa floor mats I have done. So this seat covers also very good, but I want to match the color combination for this car. So that is the reason I'm completely modifying, and also fitting also I need to be get very proper way. That is the reason I'm modifying clearly. So everything I'm going to be modify it, friends. Clearly I'm telling that one. Till now what are the videos I have done, I think so I got 40 rupees for these videos. So I'm requesting you to please watch my videos and support me, because I'm going to be spend more than 3 lakh rupees for this car. And in last video all the accessories I shown to you, all the accessories I shown to you. So now installing the seat covers, so this is the way we need to be installed. That video also I have added. So friends, please support me, because if I'm not doing any worst videos, I'm doing very good videos and it will helpful to you also. The how to buy low cost seat covers, how to buy low cost car with high quality, all those things I'm doing. So you can see here the seat covers as usually it will be installed like this one. So very ugly. If you remove the old seat cover, it's look like very ugly. So 20,000 rupees we will get this type car only. So we want to modify it car actually, because car engine is very good condition. And I'm installing tan color very high end Napa seat covers. Very high end Napa seat covers, it is very good quality. This car only getting 10 miles only, I need to be corrected that one also. But very high end modifications I'm going to do it. Please support me guys, because of YouTube purpose only I bought this car. And I'm using this car because of YouTube purpose only, because of people are more interested to see this kind of videos. So but I don't know why my videos are not watching here, but in Telugu and Tamil channel people are watching, but English channel people are not watching, because of I need your support. In last video clearly mentioned how to buy car seat covers and where to get cheap and best, and how to install by ourselves. The step by step I clearly mentioned. So if you want to be car modification, and if you want to be go for high end luxury material and a luxury quality, then you need to be spend some time for this one. So just simply you can't without spending time you can't get quality material. So you need to be spend proper time for this one. And then cheap and best and with high quality means you see my videos. So this Napa seat covers how I bought clearly I mentioned, and where I bought clearly mentioned in last video. So this is the way we need to be do it. So I hope so car seat cover installation is done. So now we are fitting is there. So now fitting also we are doing here. I'm not telling any step by step video here, because of last video I clearly mentioned. So this is the way we need to be follow it. Friends, please support me. So now complete fitting is completed and the installation also completed. So now we will see it final review. So this is the way we are getting, friends. So tan color, because of interior also I need to be change it, then only will get. In next video I will add it interior how to change it. I bought the material separate material actually, which is going to be matched for tan and black color. So that is the thing. So if you like it, please subscribe and like and share my videos, friends. This is the way we need to be do it. Thank you friends, thank you all, thank you. Please subscribe my video, because I'm spending lakhs of money on Tata Nano.